friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for our September celebration release. Today we are introducing Holiday Block Set and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing our new cover die called Shimmer Lights. And here are the stamped images. There's a row of festive critters as well as 2 block type sentiments. There are also 4 images that can be used to customize your sentiment. These sentiments make this stamp set really unique. That is why I wanted to show you how I color one of these sentiments, and as always you can find the Copic color numbers in the description below. Now, I stamped my letters in black and I'm also outlining them in black, but I think the sentiment would also look very cute stamped in a different color or colored in with different colors, maybe rainbow or pinks or whatever you like. And I'm finishing my sentiment with my standard white gel pen accents because I really like the cartoon-like look. Now let me show you how beautiful that new cover die cuts. I cut the Shimmer Lights cover from some green paper and I added some accents with distress inks on top. I'm placing a piece of yellow glitter paper behind it because I really like the look of the twinkle lights. I cut one of the block sentiments using the coordinating creative cuts, and I'm adhering it to the top of my panel using some foam tape. Now it's time to add our sweet little critters. I'm customizing the sentiment using a star instead of the standard heart that is stamped out. And as a finishing touch, I'm adding some leaves to my card as well as some embellishments. And the leaves are from a set that I will be introducing in one of the upcoming days. that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for our third day of introductions. Bye!